Metrorod is a leading provider of drain care and repair services. The services are predominantly provided by a UK network of franchisees and is one of a few drainage companies with genuine national coverage.
So Franchise Brands acquired Metrorod in the early part of last year. Prior to us acquiring it, it was part of a big group, and so it operated using shared services.
Metrorod has for years suffered from very little or no IT investment.
Our previous owners held all IT services centrally. They had quite a large IT department, around about 40 people looking after all aspects, whether it be the works management systems, the email system. The
initial challenge that we had to address was to separate from NServe. Obviously we had a fixed timeline in terms of being off their systems and running separately. We really didn't want to build a data centre and have all of the costs associated with running our own IT hardware.
As part of the take-on of the business, there was a requirement to review and recreate the entire IT infrastructure, and Metrorod chose Polymorph for the task.
So the key factors in choosing Polymorph, well, I guess there were several key factors. One was capability. We needed an organisation that both had the technical excellence to be able to do the job. They also needed to have the capacity to put people on the ground. We were working to pretty tight timescales, so we needed an organisation that could mobilise quickly and get the job done in time. The solution that Polymorph implemented for us comprises of a whole host of different services. Some very standard services, like we've moved all of our business to Office 365. We've also migrated a bespoke developed system from NServe onto a cloud platform, and all of the knowledge to develop and support that system has been transferred over to Polymorph.
Steve's extreme good knowledge of the business for the last 10 years and the very good knowledge of the key application that effectively runs the business allowed us to compress and compact that solution that we could potentially deliver into the requested project horizon of 6 months.
You spent a lot of time on site here. I think that had a huge amount to do with the success. Polymorph won't think twice about deploying to site as many people as you need to work through the various tasks and get a proper understanding of them.
Within 6 months, Polymorph had moved Metrorod's whole complex IT shared environment from an on-premise infrastructure to an Azure-hosted solution. Polymorph also optimized core applications to run in Azure, migrated over 300 mailboxes to Microsoft Office 365, provided SharePoint and SQL reporting capabilities, and migrated over 5 terabytes of data.
The challenges are we really don't know quite yet what we need you to do. So what we're looking for ultimately is flexibility. So what I find with Polymorph is that we can literally have a conversation. You pick up the phone, we talk to one of the guys, they completely understand where we're at, they're trying to work with us, they can flex, they rise to the occasion. We've yet to have a situation where they couldn't help us or assist us to move things along where we need to be.
Probably some of the biggest benefits that we're seeing from operating in the cloud is our ability to flex capacity based on demand. At the end of a month, our franchisees get really busy trying to get all of the jobs completed, trying to get invoices out. And historically, the system has performed very badly during those periods of time. Now we're in the cloud, what we're able to do is increase the capacity of our servers just for those 3 or 4 days, so that our franchisees and our business doesn't see a degradation in performance.
Polymorph continue to work with Metrorod as their outsourced IT provider.
Polymorph are large enough to have a huge spread of IT skills. They have experts in literally every field, whether it be Azure, whether it be SharePoint, email, but they're small enough so you get to meet the whole team. The way the team react, they act as if they're employees of this business. They become friends. They're all about relationship, they're all about strengthening that, investigating it and helping you.
It's been a journey of planning and intense planning, and then getting started as quick as we can so we could mobilise our different teams to target the effort to get your return straight away.
We're now getting into the interesting new projects. Let's take what we've currently got, which in parts a little bit ropey. We know we've got some stuff, and it's just planning with you guys the next steps.
Polymorph are advising us on new developments and new opportunities as they come along, so they've not kind of just delivered a solution and then walked away. They're now suggesting improvements, suggesting change and supporting us through that.
Fundamentally, we go to Polymorph and say, we need to do X, help us do this. How do we do this? We need an IT department, and Polymorph are our IT department.
You know, we're on a digital journey at Metro Rod, and you know, Polymorph will be coming along that journey with us.